not snoring. And get off my bed. You know Mom gets mad when you do that. Oh! It's a flying saucer.
I am Randar. What are you?
Scared. Ah! Uh-oh, we're being invaded by space creatures. Hey, Ruff, let's make tracks. This stuff tastes yucky. You ought to complain to Mom.
Take this, hairy one.
Quick, Ruff, duck!
Yuck! The Earthling is right. This is yucky.
Hurry, Ruff, we've got to hide. No, Ruff, not like you hide a bone.
Fear not, Earthling.
Wow!
I have traveled millions of space miles in search of a peaceful, friendly place to relax.
Friendly? Then you better stay away from Margaret's house. By the way, I'm Dennis.
Greetings, Dennis. My journey has tired me. Where may I rest?
Rest? Are you kidding? First you need something to eat. Come on.
Look me. I never knew this eating was so dangerous.
Yuck. All we got is vegetables.
What manner of thing is vegetables?
Something Earth moms use to punish Earth kids. How about some root beer? Come on, Randar. Let's go over to Mr. Wilson's place. He's always got lots of food.
Not again. Look me.
You'll like Mr. Wilson. He's my bestest friend in the whole world. Hey, Mr. Wilson!
Take a hike, Dennis.
That does not sound friendly.
Mr. Wilson!
Martha, I tell you, he's doing it on purpose.
Now, George, why would Dennis want to wake you up on purpose?
Simple. Because he knew I was asleep.
Strange creature. Why does he have so little hair?
Mr. Wilson says it's because of me. Hey, Mr. Wilson!
Dennis, now you go home. Dennis?
Warning! I'm losing strength. Prepare for emergency landing.
Martha, I just saw a space alien, and Dennis was floating alongside him. Operator, get me the police, the fire department, the army, the Coast Guard!
Whee! This is better than a roller coaster!
Are all Earth creatures like you?
Just about, except Margaret, although she is a creature.
Of all the planets in the galaxy, why did I have to land here?
Just lucky, I guess.
Enough! I must depart. This peaceful place is driving me grumpuk. Farewell, Dennis. Sorry I could not sample your vegetables.
Goodbye, Randor.
Dennis, what's going on in here?
See, there was this creature from outer space. His name was Randor, and...
Well, no wonder he couldn't sleep. Look what's happening at the Wilsons.
Really? I saw a little green man from outer space. Honest. Sure you did. Now let's all go down to the little green police station and tell this to my little green captain. What? Martha?
Remember, you will see the hydroelectric plant just after the turn. Then you will destroy it.
Yes, destroy it, and with it, the electricity to 3 military bases and 2 airports.
Have a good time, Dennis. Say hello to your grandmother for me.
Bye, Mrs. Wilson. Bye, Mr. Wilson. Thanks for seeing us off.
Anytime, Dennis. I'd like to see you off to another galaxy.
I'll miss you too, Mr. Wilson. So long. We won't be gone long.
Take your time. Stay as long as you can. Oh, my gosh. Dennis forgot his bag.
Thanks, Mr. Wilson.
Believe me, it's my pleasure.
Wait! You should never step off a moving vehicle. Mom's told me that 1,000 times.
Let go, Dennis. I can still make it. Or I could have.
Hey, Mr. Wilson, you'll be coming with us. Isn't that super?
Yeah, super duper.
Well, Dennis, how do you like your very first train ride?
I love it. And best of all, I get to sit with Mr. Wilson.
Gee, Mr. Wilson, thanks for being so understanding, getting stuck on the train and all.
That's all right. I'll just sit here by myself where I can spread out.
You look like you already spread out plenty. I'll just put my bag up here on this rack. Mom, you ought to put this up there, too.
No, Dennis, I'll hold it. It's something I baked for Grandma. It's a raspberry cream pie.
Gosh, Mr. Wilson, if you'd sat back here, it wouldn't have hit you. I'll find something to clean you up with while you just lean back in this adjustable seat. Are you okay, Mr. Wilson? Gosh, those seats could be dangerous.
Only if you're involved, Dennis. You could turn a marshmallow into a dangerous weapon.
Look, Mr. Wilson, a spy, just like in the movies.
Now, Dennis, not everybody in a trench coat is a spy.
People like that on trains are always spies. We better get them.
No, Dennis, let the man alone. Dennis, where are you? Are you in here?
I certainly am.
The spy!
Dennis,
Shh! It's him. If we act fast, we can still save the entire world.
Dennis, he's just an ordinary, everyday man eating his lunch.
I'll hold him while you grab his briefcase full of stolen plans and secrets. No time for eating either, Mr. Wilson. The spy is getting away.
Oh, no! Dennis has climbed to the top of the train!
Gee, Mr. Wilson, what on earth are you doing up there? This door handle sticks, but if you push it up and pull it over, it opens.
Dennis, once and for all, that man is not a spy. Now, you're going back to your mother and father.
Are you sure he's not a spy, Mr. Wilson?
Positive.
Okay, if you say so.
What fools! This will be easier than I thought.
You know, if that guy's not a spy, I really ought to go back and apologize for thinking he was.
Here comes the power plant. And here goes the power plant.
Mister, I want to apologize for thinking you were a spy.
A spy?
Here, let me close that window for you. You might catch cold. Boy, look at that big plant of some kind. Uh-oh, he forgot his briefcase.
Phew, so much for that little brat.
Here, mister, you forgot your briefcase. Mister! Where'd he go?
Ow! Ow!
I'm glad I found you. Gosh, that could be real dangerous riding down there. Here, mister, let me give you a hand.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Don't mention it. And here's your briefcase.
Perfect. Now's my chance to ditch that little brat for good. Farewell, Junior. Finally. At least I'll never have to see that face again. Yeah!
Time to spray that cornfield.
Hey, loco. Out of town.
Hey, mister.
That face! That face!
Here's your briefcase. Hey, where you going?
Henry, I'm worried about Dennis. Where do you suppose he is?
Oh, I'm sure he's all right. After all, Mr. Wilson is with him.
No, it couldn't be.
Oh, boy! Good thing I found you.
Oh, no. Not again.
This looks like a real expensive briefcase.
Bye-bye.
Here it comes, mister. You're sure lucky I can throw good.
What was that? Oh.
You know something? I think maybe he really was a spy.
Too bad you have to go back all alone, Mr. Wilson.
Yes, it'll be lonely without Dennis, but oh, how peaceful. Oh,
Take good care of my ant farm and my fish, Mr. Wilson.
I will, Dennis. Stay away as long as I'd like. I mean, you'd like.
Bye, Mr. Wilson.
Goodbye. I feel reborn.
Mr. Wilson! You still got my bag!
Huh? Oh, no, not again.
Henry, what will we do?
Don't worry, dear. Mr. Wilson will take good care of him.
Well, Mr. Wilson, looks like we get to ride all the way home together.
Yes, all the way home.
driver.
That's ridiculous. I'm sitting in the front seat.
I know. That's why I can't see anything.
You should be grateful that you have me to give you directions. Now, turn into the playground.
Whoa! You should have told me it's under construction. Look at that!
What a weird-looking lamp.
I saw it first. Finders keepers.
Well, losers weepers.
Greetings. I am Ali Boo Boo, the Genie.
Aw, come on. Genie's a girl's name.
Not that kind of genie. He means a magic genie.
The young lady is correct. Whoever owns the lamp is entitled to 3 wishes.
Good. I get the wishes. I found the lamp first.
You did not. I found it.
Did not.
Did too.
Did not.
Did too.
Did not.
Did too.
Did not.
Please, might I make a suggestion?
Only if it's in my favor.
Never mind her. What is it, Mr. Genie?
That you each take 1 wish for yourself and use the last one together.
Her and me agree on something? Forget it.
Nevertheless, let's try, shall we? Now, what is your first wish?
Well, let's see now. I wish my doll Molly would come to life, and that I had a baby carriage to push her in.
And what kind of personality would you like her to have?
I want her to be a liberated woman, just like me.
2 Margarets. Yuck.
Hi, I'm Molly. It actually worked. Ooh, I'm gonna love you so much. That's what you think. What are you doing? Treating you the way you treat me. Molly, stop! Help! Somebody!
Oh my, we'd better help her.
Do we have to?
Most definitely.
When's the last time you rode a bike?
Approximately 200 years ago. But they say you never forget how.
Don't you believe it?
I'm afraid this is trickier than I thought.
Why don't you just use your magic to catch up to Margaret?
I can only use it when someone wishes it.
You mean I have to use up one of my wishes?
That is correct.
Forget it. This time, I'll drive.
Whee! This is fun!
Margaret's headed for a waterfall. Save her!
Gladly. All you have to do is use up your wish.
Okay. I wish this bike would turn into a flying horse. Gotcha!
That was scary.
That was fun.
Oh, be quiet.
Oh, be quiet.
Oh, give me a break.
I wish I'd never wished for anything.
Me neither.
Your wish is my command.
Look, Molly has turned into a plain old doll again.
Well, your 3 wishes are up, so now I must bid you farewell.
Dennis, that was very sweet. You used your 1 wish to save me and Molly.
Don't remind me.
Well, I think you deserve a big reward. I'll let you have the magic lamp.
I don't want it.
Take it.
I don't want it.
Take it.
Oh, give me a break.
Lucky Charms.